are here to test who has the best spice tolerance amongst all of us.
I'm here to show off my spice tolerance, not test it.
Mostly we're here to see who wusses out first, which
I know that I go like that, but I enjoy that feeling of like my tongue not having any senses.
my spice tolerance is pretty high too. I would say it's 5 chilies out of 6 chilies because like don't want to be overconfident in this entire thing.
My spice tolerance falls in -10.
Of course, I'm going to do better than Andre.
I also believe a lot in myself and I think I'm going to whoop her ass.
Do I believe in you though?
But again, you don't need to believe in me, man.
Actually, we are both losers because our assholes are gonna die.
There's a lot of the red stuff.
I like that they
And
gave us
the
a chili. Yeah, I like because usually I like a chili.
True MVP.
Pretty standard, just really flavorful.
This would have been so good if it was like hot. भैया के कढ़ाई से अभी तल के निकला.
I feel like there's like less red chili thing.
Lasun chutney, I've never had it until I moved to Bombay and I completely fell in love with it.
I am at -10. This is not spicy at all.
I'm finding it really funny because we eat this on a regular basis. No big deal.
Yeah, we're from Bombay.
थोड़े sweats भी आ रहे हैं पर
It's starting to get hot.
there's no rule against wiping your nose red because mine leaks really easily. That's not a description of my pain tolerance.
Oh, apparently they told us that you can drink the milk as soon as you need to because...
No, please, you go ahead.
No.
You can have the milk.
I feel like having some fluids now.
I can see pain in his face now.
But yeah, done. Show your mouth. Show me that you're not hiding.
Show your mouth.
Wait, I'm still eating.
You're sweating way
You're
more than I am.
crying.
I'm fine.
We're done.
I'm not at all intimidated by this. I wonder why there is a short glass though. Seems weird. Not my regular Pani Puri experience.
I projectile vomited after having Pani Puri at the age of 6, and since then I've never had Pani Puri. This is my personal nightmare.
I'm feeling pretty confident in this round.
The strategy is that I'm taking only as much pani as I can tolerate.
Hey, yeah, what is this? This is a nice like palate cleanser for you then.
Want me to take more pani?
That was as little as she took in the previous one.
Since it's going to be a race.
It's not a race!
You know how the pani puri wals always finish making one before you finish eating it?
That's me to you.
I'm actually pretty impressed with the integrity of the puri. Like it's not breaking apart.
The leak हो रहा है. Now I'm feeling it.
He's crying.
What are you feeling?
Tip of my tongue out of nowhere. Suddenly it's like,
First of all, this room is so hot.
oh.
He's overreacting, guys.
I'm good. I've crossed that threshold where I feel.
Cheers.
Now do I wait till she's finished? It's not chai time.
Chal, you really want to do this? I won't do it if you don't do it.
No, I'm
but if you do it, I'll do
doing
it.
it. Do you want to give up though?
Do you want to give up?
I don't want.
I won't have it if you don't have it. But if you have it, I'll have it.
You can have this and have this.
No!
It's okay. She's feeling emotional. She's gonna cry. You cry.
I can definitely have it. Let's have
Sneaky
it.
guy.
Cheers.
Not bad though. You did finish more than I thought you would.
The vada pav was spicier than this.
But usually that's how pani puri is made, right? Like even the spicy is not really. It's just more flavor.
I'm fine, guys. I think this is great.
It looks a little scary. It's brick
I can
colored.
smell it from here.
There's never too much of a good thing, right? Like,
Oh,
there
there
can never
most
be
certainly is.
Bon appetit. Hey, तूने पीरी पीरी डाल दिया दूधू में यार. क्या कर रहा है bro? Yeah, this
Tasty.
is time pass.
This is actually the tastiest thing. What is happening to my voice?
It's kind of spicy, not gonna lie.
You put too much piri piri like.
Yeah, I can actually taste the fry.
It's just piri piri sticks at this
Yeah.
point.
Take a real amount, buddy.
I would like to say it's too much food, but
Oh, maybe this is your tactic. Like you're feeling the spice, so you're just like silent and like I'm full.
Yeah, a little bit. Yeah. Yeah, okay, fine.
So you are in pain. Yes.
Sure.
But you are.
See, this is continuously happening.
So you're in pain.
No.
I bet Cheyenne lost his round.
Why are you trash talking Cheyenne in your round?
What?
Should have done that one.
What?
Should have done that one.
What? I can't hear you.
The best way to sabotage your opponent in a spice challenge is to use them as a napkin.
Okay, I hope the next thing is like some paste or something they're gonna throw on our face.
Yes, that was the easiest round.
Yeah, I've seen a lot of people do this spice challenge on YouTube and they have like massive quantities of it.
Yeah, there's no flavor.
I'm actually finding it sweet. Is it because my tongue has died?
Guys, it's like falling everywhere, man. It's all over my pants.
I can feel like some burn at the back of my throat.
It's back. Throat itch.
I want to taste the sauce.
Taste na. Who's stopping you, bro? I'm gonna win the spice challenge. That's my impression of.
I'll admit, I do feel like having this milk because I'm sure it has way more flavor than this shit.
Plain milk.
Yeah.
Guys, I would like to say that in between stuff, Sonia is talking nonsense and like
I am
randomly
I am Deniro.
delirious is what she's trying to say.
My body's not showing any signs of the. Yeah.
I can feel my heartbeat in the back of my head.
We consulted a doctor before doing this.
What did your doctor say?
He said, go, you'll beat Sonia for sure.
That is not what your doctor said, you liar!
I can feel my nose leaking inwards. All the shame is going under se.
I'm still gonna win this.
Are you?
Yeah, I'm actually.
No!
Bhoot Jolokia pickle. Bhoot Jolokia, for those who not know, is one of the spiciest chilies.
Have you had it before?
I've heard of this.
The last time I had it, I got overconfident, took a whole bite. I was silent for the entire meal.
I have had this sometimes at home. My mom doesn't let me take more than one drop. You finished it?
Finished it.
Then I have to finish it.
I had the entire thing.
What?
Tastes like oil, man.
I can feel like a heat enveloping my body.
Oh, wait, give it a second.
I mean, it's hitting me, but I can go for a bite.
If you eat it slowly, it doesn't hit you so much. No, there's no need. It's all right.
If
I'm
I
quite
have
fine.
more, will you have more?
No, this is not a you jump, I jump situation.
It's fire.
Are you okay, Shan?
No!
Oh, it did hit my throat. Wasn't so bad though.
Monster!
Do you want milk?
Give me some f***ing milk!
Okay, I'm having this much.
I'm holding the glasses here for you.
What the
Okay, this is a bad idea.
My nose is watering.
I know my limits. I found it.
Did you inhale it?
I don't think so.
Oh god, what's happened to your voice?
The thing has hit me and now it's like I'm unable to speak.
Guys, everything is shaking in my body.
Do you want some milk?
No. I'm okay that way, it's just I can't speak.
Not being able to speak is a neurological defect.
My final thoughts are that I won.
You're literally eating the ice cream while you're saying these things.
I'm fine now.
It's because you ate ice cream. You're not supposed to eat ice cream without me, Shan.
Sorry. I'm sorry, Arshad.
I'm really proud of myself today.
I'm also proud of Sonia.
Yeah, I'm dying, but I'm happy that I won.
I also feel like I'm a little bit of a loser. This is all going to affect me like 2-3 hours later.
Yeah, boy. Yeah.
So what do I get for winning?
Nice.
Toilet paper. This will actually be really helpful.
I'm glad I didn't win.
This is single ply, it might not do.
That's your problem.
Yeah, I will be your
mean,
problem
yeah, fair.
also later. Oh god. Okay, now it's getting kind of hot.
There's no taste left to anything anymore. What are you tasting? I threw up. Is it pronounced Khalido or Khali?
I mean, let's just say for the course of this video, we're gonna say Khali.
Khali.
The guy is basically a giant, right? He's like 9 feet tall or something.
He's actually
And
7 feet 4 inches.
he's a big guy. And
That's going to be too much food, man.
yeah,
Too
like,
much
is this table gonna? I don't know. We'll see. What is that meat?
dates and
This is all for one person. I don't even know where to start.
I mean, there should be instructions, no? Do this
8
first.
glasses of milk.
Chugging beer.
I actually like milk.
I hate milk. You know what would really make this great? Like a little bit salt, some chaat masala, maybe like onions chopped and put small pieces of onions. What a great idea.
Yeah, so Kali, if you're watching this video, we're giving you tips on how to make your breakfast a little.
More edible.
I don't think it's that bad a meal. Like,
There's vitamins, there's calcium, protein.
I do not like the dry fruits. I don't know if I've expressed that enough.
I'm also feeling myself get full. We haven't made a dent in anything except the chicken and the bread.
I'm done. I'm just gonna have like a little bit of juice too.
We shouldn't waste all this food.
Oh, sweet lord! Why has there so much milk?
I hate milk! Did you not hear me the first time? Okay, should we eat?
How long do you think he sits for each meal?
I would take easily an hour or so to finish this. Oh, pasta's good.
How does this man eat a full chicken, dude?
He's got an active lifestyle, I assume, which is why this doesn't impact him as much. Our jobs are like 60% sitting at a desk.
Does he fight anymore? Like, he's not in the WWE anymore, right?
I don't think so. Oh, what does he do nowadays? Hari,
Yeah,
what are
okay.
you doing nowadays? He's drinking more milk. I can't even look at the
I mean, it's
milk.
just because like when you eat so much, like you need something to like wash it down, right? Like, oh god, okay, now it's getting kind of hot. Got the jacket. Nothing is spicy. I'm still kind of sweating and it's kind of hot.
I'm not having milk. I can't do it. It's too yucky.
Dessert for you.
Oh Jesus, no!
Do you not see? We've not
What's up?
finished this.
What's up with this guy and dairy, man? Like, why does everything have to have some component of dairy?
There is some cow connection. Okay, you stop eating because I'm taking this to my desk.
Oh, thank God.
Let us start off with the milk.
What is this?
I can't have more of this crap.
Why does he have so many dry fruits? Dude, you know the amount of milk I like to drink?
I don't want to know. But
That's just
objectively,
this.
that's a good glass of strawberry milk.
5 liters of milk.
That's just.
No more milk, Akash.
We're back. Of course, milk.
This guy drinks more milk than I did in my entire infancy. And this is just one day's food.
Is it just me or now I'm feeling like this is not so much food?
It's
so much
gotten
every day.
normalized, man.
So he seems to eat a lot of bread and rice and egg.
Yeah, these three have been there throughout. I wonder how many calories are in this entire meal.
I don't know. How many calories are in this meal?
12,000.
If you told me to wrestle after this, I would just lie down on the floor and say, just pin me now. Take me.
After this, like, food has no taste. There's no taste left to anything anymore. What are you tasting? What are you eating?
Joy has been sucked out of my life.
I will have one more glass of milk. Hey, Bhagwan.
Oh my god, I actually feel like I might throw up.
Yeah.
Seriously?
Yeah.
What? Really?
Yeah.
Kids, do not try this at home. I threw up and then I had to spend 10 minutes cleaning the thing in which I threw up. And nobody wants to do that.
Rolling?
Yeah.
Hey guys, so it's week 2. Just 2 more weeks left for keto, and then I can eat these that I've been looking at. Shan. Shooting me.
Sorry, dude. We gotta try this. Super spicy.
Is it
Should
really?
I?
Yeah, it is.
Do you think everything
Andre,
is
should I
spicy?
cut?
Spicy as dude. Try it.
You always, I can't have keto.
You literally always challenge me to do shit and then you go like, oh, but I'm on a diet. So you come not to you.
Okay, chal. When you wanna go?
I put it on a calendar. So
When you wanna? You tell me.
We tried looking for the spiciest thing we could find around here and we found some death wings in social.
I mean, like, they're saying it's spicy. It'll be really spicy for you.
just shut
But
the hell up.
I'm telling
right
you,
now.
you find a McSpicy chicken burger spicy.
That's a lie. I put lots of piri piri in it, okay?
Dude,
Just shut up.
that is a complete lie. We have 1 glass of water here, and the person to drink from
That's
it
Dre.
will be him. But yeah, let's get the wings.
That's not so bad. Oh shit. My face is on fire. I've had like one. I'm still gonna beat you, I don't care. Oh. Describe your mouth right now, bro.
It's fine. Like a meadow.
My mouth feels like the eye of Mordor. Like that fire somewhere in Bihar or Uttar Pradesh or something that's not gone out for like 40 years.
Are you eating that masala?
Hey, why don't you gloat somewhere else?
So I want the time limit and the not drinking water and the eating. Don't I get like something? Shouldn't I get like a victory drink or a victory second plate of wings?
It's done. It's done, right? Technically, it's done. Tell me it's done. Dude, Aishwarya, tell me it's done. Say done.
So I got my victory lemonade. Apparently the winners get lemonade and the losers.
What have I done? I don't know what you're talking about. It wasn't competitive, it was a friendly banter. I thought we decided beforehand, hey, let's go have some wings together as friends. Whatever. Yeah, it's a competition, it's fine. You just go have something sweet now. Oh my god.
Like proper sweet or like what you think is like?
Dude, yeah, proper sweet. You know proper. I'm Bengali, we don't have to like discuss this. Just give me some proper sweet.
Okay, yeah, we can go have something sweet. I know just the place. So as you can see, he's still kind of reeling from the last challenge.
Shut up, Andre.
But you want it sweet, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so soda bottle opener wala. They serve really good chai with a little extra ingredient, but it's sweet.
Why do you have that tone of your voice like you're setting me up for some nonsense?
But I bet I could finish it before you.
You always say that. You know what? I'm gonna finish this before you. It's sweet, right? It's
chai,
sweet.
dude.
It's sweet.
Chai. It's sweet chai.
Where is the tea?
You said you wanted sweet.
I said I wanted sweet, not instant diabetes. This would give diabetes to my whole family twice over. Oh my god. Oh my god. Andre, why is this not dissolving?
So, because there's so much sugar in it, the tea can't actually dissolve all of it. So now it just like stays like that. Shut, bottoms up.
What do you mean? I have to chug this?
You have to down it, bro. No, I'm joking. That's insane. Don't down that. Whoever finishes their glass first.
Dude, bon appetit. That is the most delicious thing in Soho. Oh my god, I can feel like a sugar. The sugar rush. Bottom's appetit. And you monster. You look like you killed a cup of chai.
That's right. I did. Did you even have a sip?
I had 2 sips, okay?
Are you done with it?
Yeah. So you can eat anything. Anything.
Pretty much
Anything.
anything.
At any time. Yeah, I know just the place. You can eat anything, right?
Let's do
Alright. Let's go eat anything then. Okay, we're here at Jimmy's Burger right now and they have this burger called the Jawbreaker.
Right.
I seen it.
Okay.
You can't finish it. I know I can't finish
So
it.
it's like a big burger.
There's like a 1% chance that I'll finish that burger.
I mean, how big are we talking?
You'll see, dude.
Fine, bring it on.
Let's do this. It's for you. 7-incher.
There's no space to push the bun down also.
Oh, is it a loss if I get cutlery for this?
I don't know, man.
Am I
Like,
allowed to do that? How are you gonna eat it though?
how do you get it into your jaw to break it?
Okay, so I have to put. How does this work? Like,
What was the time limit?
a couple of hours.
6 minutes.
It can be deceiving. From here, it looks like I've eaten nothing. But actually, I've eaten just close to nothing. Weird consequence I didn't account for. My right hand hurts a lot because I've been holding the burger like this for the last 10 minutes. I got 48% of a 7-inch burger. So I had like a 3.44-inch burger.
So you're saying you're giving up on this one?
Yeah, yeah. So I'm slowly gonna slide this over to Andre. Are you legit gonna finish the whole thing? I have a really bad feeling he's gonna finish the burger before I finish my strip of bacon.
That was pretty fun. So we did like 3 things and it happened pretty organically. Shayan thought he could beat me at, well, multiple things, but he couldn't. But if there's something you think that we can't do, feel free to shoot us some ideas in the comments and we'll happily do whatever challenges you set for us. Sure. We're done, na? Cool. Can I order some fries? Yeah? Dude, you want some fries? Or I'm gonna get a plate of fries.
Oh, get the
Yeah? I think I'm gonna get a shake also. Can I get 1 chocolate shake and a plate of fries? Sure? You wanna go halvesies?